Can anybody hear me? Can you hear me? Hi, this is Rose Brantley. I know I did this before, but seem like I can't capture it. Um, my blog was on self-employment, and the information I got was from www.bls.gov, which you can get most of your information. Self-employment and status we have in the United States. Self-employment is something that we all like to do because we all like to be our own boss. And we have to know the ins and outs of self-employment. It's a fast-growing thing that's in the United States right now, and many people want to do it because they want to be their own boss. They don't want to have to answer to anybody. First of all, you got to make a plan. You got to prepare your plan as to what product you're going to do. You're going to have to get your license. You're going to have to show the people whether you're going to have a shop or you're going to be doing it at home. There's legal and limit liabilitations that they have that you're going to have to go through to see about it. And you can go about networking as to passing your cards out on the street, giving them to a friend and have them to pass them out to somebody. You can get flyers out and show you can get things. Sometimes you can go to some of the businesses and ask them to pass out some of your cards and stuff like that. It's going to be many challenges as to what you're going to do, because due to the fact that it might be somebody else out there that's trying to sell the same product you have, and you got to make sure that what you're doing is of good quality and everything. If you have to have something out there, have a show, when they have a show and stuff like that, show people your product, let them know how good your product is and how they can get it and how fast they can get it. Thank you, and y'all have a good day.